Today, I'm going to show you how to create AI talking avatar with just Canva. Okay, open your Canva web application or mobile application. On the search section, type YouTube videos. Alternatively, you can just click on videos. This will take you to YouTube video templates where you see series of templates and a blank page. Click on the blank page, the one that has a plus sign. This directly takes you to the timeline or the workspace where we will do our creation. Now, click on the element section. This is where we will generate our images and then select elements such as background. So we'll click on the element section. Scroll down to AI image generator and click on it. Under the image panel, about that, if you want to generate image, you will select the image panel. If you want to generate graphics or videos, you select which one you want to generate. Now under the image panel, because we want to generate an image, write or paste the prompt, in other words the text description which you want AI to generate image for you based on it. At this point you have to be patient because most times the images generated might not be as desired. You have to regenerate until you get your preferred and desired image. Actually, I regenerated about twice before arriving at this, so I will select this. By clicking on it, automatically it brings it into your timeline. So AI images are mostly 1:1 aspect ratio, which is not same with YouTube's aspect ratio, which is 16:9. So we'll bring this image to the aspect ratio of 16:9, thereby fitting in the entire canvas. I will show you two ways to do that. The first way is selecting the image and then clicking on the effect option. Select Magic Expand. When this opens up, select whole page. Then click on Magic Expand. This expands the 1:1 aspect ratio into 16:9, which is recommended for YouTube videos. Magic Expand generates 4 sets of images at once. Select any preferred one and click on Done. This brings in the image directly into the canvas. Else, click or select Generate New Result to generate another set of images until you are satisfied. The second way to bring this image to 16:9 YouTube aspect ratio is to once again go to the effect option, click on BG remover. This removes the background image, and then go to element section and search for anything you want to use as your background. In my own case, a big office space. Go through the library of suggested background images and make your choice. In my own case, I'll select this. Once you select it, automatically it will go straight or appear in your canvas. Then drag it to fit in the entire canvas and click on the 3 dots on your topmost right and select Send to Back. This sends the background image backwards and brings the image removed its background forward. Now we download. To do that, click on the download icon in your Canva mobile application, but in your web application, click on the share button and then select PNG and not MP4, and then click on download button. Come back to Canva once again, whether your mobile or web application. Head straight to the app section, click on it. Here you see series of apps that are there to aid your design in Canva. Locate hygiene. You can avoid exploring by going to the search section and typing hygiene. Once on hygiene, click on open. Sign up with your email, after which you are good to use the app. Once on hygiene, you can choose from the pre-made AI avatars or select from the libraries or bring photos to life or upload your own image. In this case, we'll upload our already generated AI image. So we'll click on the upload option and select our just downloaded AI image. Now select our view mode. Next is to generate the voice which our image will lip sync. You have option to use AI generated voiceover or your individual recorded voiceover. To use AI voiceover, on the text box, write or paste your script which you want it to be converted to voice. Listen to the available voiceovers and select any one of your choice. Then hit generate AI video. Okay, I don't want to use AI voiceover. To use your individual recorded voiceover, under the audio panel, select upload from your device and select your saved audio. You can listen to your audio to ensure you uploaded the right audio. Mine is just a snippet of one of my previous videos. Hit generate AI video. This processes and generates your AI talking avatar for you. I'll click on add to design to bring in our talking avatar into our canvas. Drag to fit the entire canvas. And here is our talking
This
avatar.
kids educational channel makes anywhere from $1,000 to $12,000. They earn this by simply creating faceless animated kids educational videos on various topics. Such videos can include names of animals, names of fruits, alphabetic letters, just to mention but a few. Most of these videos earn millions of views within months.
To download, click on the download button on your mobile application and on the share button on your web application and select download. Please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, comment and share. Thanks in advance.